न्यू ईयर तेरे को मैं टाइम अगे भाई सही कर आतिशबाजी एक मिनट बाकी आप खाओ भाई टाइम एक मिनट दूसरा शुरू हो गया 1 मिनट भाई 3 2 1 एक मिनट पे आई यार
Literally, this is one of the biggest fireworks that's happening in the AlMajaz waterfront in Sharjah. And wish you all a happy new year 2018. Let this year be filled with success, happiness and prosperity. Wow, this is amazing. Actually, here is around thousands of people gathered here, and this firework is going to be here around 11 minutes this year. If I'm not wrong, it is about 12 minutes. And see, what a grand fireworks this is. And Sharjah has welcomed 2018 with this fireworks, and I hope that most of the people have gone to Dubai as well as Ras Al Khaimah, and Ras Al Khaimah is trying a Guinness attempt this year with in the fireworks. So, and Dubai Burj Al Khalifa is witnessing the laser fireworks this year, and literally this is great. Well, we are right in front of the AlMajaz Corniche here, and actually I was trying to live feed this fireworks, but unfortunately what happened was all the data on networks were banned right now in this part of the UAE where the fireworks is right going on. And this is water park actually, so this is amazing. And actually there is a water dance right there, just as we can see in the Vrindavan Gardens of Bangalore, but I can't go there since it is only allowed for families, and I'm a bachelor of course. So my new year 2018 is in Sharjah right now. Woo! Wow, it's great, it's great. And still we can see the fireworks is still going on and everywhere. See that's going top, and like it's literally blasting in the skies. So there is thousands of people gathered here. I can't show you a clear video as it is literally very dark here. Of course, it's 12 o'clock in the morning of January 1st 2018. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm happy that I have witnessed this and I'm a part of this 2018 celebrations in Sharjah. So yeah, and Burj Khalifa is actually doing a laser show this year, which last year I was in Jumeirah beach and I was able to see Burj Khalifa as well as wow, that's great, that's great. And listen to the sound of these people. These people are making a lot of noises here, just out of excitement actually. And oh my god, I'm actually missing the video because I was actually looking into the fireworks right now. This is great. This is great, this is great, this is great. You can see Sharjah is amazing. Wow, 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 wow. You know, literally happiness is this. We still feel like a kid when I see these fireworks. Wow! Woo! This is great. We will have to see this. Let's see this. Ouch. That is something you have to witness. Really, people. I'm sorry I couldn't do a live feed because, as I told, the data networks are banned here right now. Wow, this is great. Colorful. You can see the building standing tall out there and all were decorated. Woo. I have that AlMajaz Island in Ras Al Khaimah is overcrowded today as they are trying a Guinness attempt in this fireworks. I'm sorry if my voice is not audible. Wow, 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 wow. You could see this. Wow. Like blasting all over the skies. The sky, it is so colorful. It is so colorful. It's just 6 minutes has gone and still there is 5 minutes left. Look at that burst. It's not over yet. There's a break and yeah, you can see that. The children here are so excited. Wow, you could see that. People, right there, right there, right there. It's colorful. Wow. This is happiness, actually. Something you could see that. Wow. Wow. And you could see, if you could see the water dance right there, it's green in color right now. So it is one, as we can see, in the Vrindavan Gardens in Bengaluru. So the water dance, and one of the main things in the water dance is that they used to project the videos in the while the water splits or splatters. Wow, this is lovely. You could see they are celebrating it as a heart. You can see the symbol of the heart. Blasting videos. Oh my god, this is great. Wow! Happy New Year! Well, I literally forget sometimes that I'm a professional. You can see everyone here taking videos, shooting out videos, and wow, wow, this is great. See, it's a non-stop entertainment. And you could see there is a flight. Wow, this is beautiful. That's great, my god. I wish I had a bigger phone than this. The sounds just hear my ears. Well, it's not over yet. There's 3 more minutes to go. It is 12 minutes of fire show. I hope it's not over yet, but just 9 minutes got over, and hope there is something more. Is it? Is this over? I hope so, because I cannot see any glimpses of anything new happening here right now. So everyone here, I wish you a happy new year 2018. So all my friends who wished me this 2018, thank you, and well, it just over, and I wish all of you a happy new year and wish you a prosperous, successful, and all your dreams come true in this year. God bless you.